Well, today's book is kind of a skinny little book, but it's really big in size. It's a truck full of ducks. What in the world do you think they would do with a truck full of ducks? I have no idea. Maybe they get the eggs or something for breakfast. Who knows? Anyway, I'm sure we'll find out. Here goes. Truck full of ducks. Munch, munch, munch. One truck full of ducks delivered to, he lost the address. Oh no, the directions. Don't worry, ducks, we'll find the customer. This way, that way. Did you call for a truck full of ducks? No, not me. I called for the mail truck. Here's the little girl. Maybe that's Isabel. There's Harrison inside there. One brother, please mail. Far, very far away. Oh no, let's hope Isabel never does that. I think she loves her brother. Did you call for a truck full of ducks? Duck truck? Not me, buddy. I called for a dump truck. Ooh, he's on a jackhammer here. Humpty Dumpty had a great haul. Dump truck service. Did you call for a truck full of ducks? Looks like he's a surfer here or something like that. No, dude, not us. We called for an ice cream truck. Ooh, the ice cream truck. Who called for a truck full of ducks? That duck's got a big old ice cream. Well, a lot of them got ice creams, I guess. Did you call for a truck full of ducks? The boat launch. It looks like a pirate. He's got his parrot. Arr! It wasn't me, matey. I called for a truck full of crackers, not quackers. Polly's Crackers. #1 choice for parrots. Polly's Crackers. Did you call for a truck full of ducks? Sorry, Earthling, I called for a tow truck. Here's a spaceship. I break for comets and cupcakes. Keep back, I need my space. 30,000 light years away, huh? It's gonna cost you. Tony's toting. We'll tow anywhere. Who called for a truck full of ducks? You're in luck. Last potty for miles. Uh-oh. They're all in there using the potty. Hurry up, ducks. Here they are. That guy got wrapped up in toilet paper. Back in the truck. The clock is ticking. Must be in a hurry. Did you call for a truck full of ducks? Hey, waiter. Ah, no. No more ducks. I called for a duck removal truck. He's trying to get rid of ducks. Did anyone call for a truck full of ducks? Did you say truck full of ducks? That was me. Ooh, the deep, dark woods. Ooh, over here. Caution, dead end. One scary way. No Wi-Fi. Hungry fox. Uh-oh. Sounds like the ducks might be on a one-way trip. Okay, ducks, out of the truck. See, I told you not to worry. 1 order of ducks. 2, H. Fox. Perfect timing. My dinner is over. Time for my bath. Ooh, he's taking a bath with all the ducks. A fox taking a bath with ducks. Who would ever thought of that? Bath time gig, Stan. When you need toucans, who can? We can. Van full of toucans. You know it, Frank. Thanks for calling. Truck full of ducks. We'll be right there. Oh, there they go again. Bath time always more fun with duckies. Call now, 555 duckies. Truck full of ducks. There you have it, truck full of ducks. I never thought of taking a bath with a duck. Actually, Grandpa takes baths with ducks too. So, ducks are more fun in the bath. Ducks are just more fun. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the story. And don't forget, Grandpa loves you. He doesn't squeak. Bye-bye for now.